ਲੋ ਜੀ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਹੈਡ ਪੰਜ ਨਾਲ ਜੇ
ਜੀ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
ਆਪਣਾ ਅਹਿਮਦ ਅਲੀ
ਜੀ ਜੀ
ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੰਜ ਨਾਲ ਤੇ ਚਲੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਤੇ ਗੁੱਡੂ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਐ ਰਾਈਟ ਮੈਨ ਸ਼ਾਬਾਸ਼
My near and dear ones, you can see on your left side, I am trying my level best to capture the scenic view. Simply have a look at the flow of the river. This is the mighty Indus. What I should say that civilizations have gone and this Indus has been flowing and flowing and flowing with proper continuity. I am making this video to refute this illogical, baseless, I would say shameful kind of argument that Sindhis say that there is no water in the river Indus. Here you can see how much water is there. The current, let's simply have a look at the flow of the water. The current of the water you can say. We have already seen one canal that has been dug out from this Guddu power barrage. A little delay in the traffic. And this is the bridge. Here is the water level. I have brought the camera down so that you people can see that the water is flowing with all the smoothness and calmness. But believe you me, this is simply as deep as if one could imagine. We are right now traveling on the bridge of the Indus River, the great and mighty Indus River that actually emerges from the mountains of Tibet. There it starts, and geographically the people say that it starts or originates from China and then it enters Pakistan. If you remember the previous videos, the Chumdu Bridge I'm going to mention, where there is a merging point of River Shivak and the great mighty Indus in Skardu, close to Skardu, that is 34 kilometers away to be exact from Skardu. This is 4th of December. We have read and we have come to know that the water level definitely comes down, but here there is no concept of the water receding. In fact, the water level could go as high as possible. You can see that at the distance there are electrical power stations. In fact, these are the big electrical poles which supply electricity to the surrounding areas. They are deep in the water, and look at the depth. They have gone into the water. There is all water everywhere. We can see nothing but water everywhere on the left hand side. On my right hand side, actually that is the main flow of the river and the main bed of the river. But what I'm happy to see that it has been flowing and flowing and flowing. Centuries old it is. This is the river that is exactly 3,180 kilometers. That is the total length of this river. And at Mithankot, that is from 40 kilometers distance away from Rajanpur, the district Rajanpur that is in Punjab, where the mighty Chenab that merges this Indus River. This Indus River, the first major river that joins it, that is the Gilgit River, and then even before that, Shivak River enters it. This has been flowing from the top of Pakistan and it is going to enter what you could say the bottom of Pakistan. The delta area near Thatta, that is where it finally enters the sea. I have just been indicated that at some distance there is a Guddu power thermal plant, and this is the mighty Indus, flowing with all continuity, flowing with magnificent current. And at a distance I can see that the people, they have their boats ready for the people, those who want to enjoy the you could say the boat ride in the river. This was built in the tenure of Sikandar Mirza way back,
inaugurated by Ayub Khan.
And inaugurated by Ayub Khan, the Field Marshal, great Ayub Khan, I should say. Once again, people, you should see that I have brought the camera level down. We are on the left hand side, the parallel to it, this is all Indus River. Just imagine what could be the water level in the month of August, September or July or June, the summer season. If the winter level here, you can see that it's just a little patch we can see that that is simply dry. Huge expanse of the water is there, the natural one, and simply the Sindhis, they have this only fake tears, I should say, the crocodile tears, they say that they have died just because there is no water. There is everywhere water, they can simply drown in it.